Welcome to this tutorial on designing clean in C#. As a developer, you know the importance of creating code that is easy to read and understand. One way to achieve this is by following best practices for designing methods, including avoiding the use of Boolean flags and method parameters. In this video, we will explore the reasons why using Boolean flags can lead to methods with multiple responsibilities and how to design your methods to avoid this issue. Sit back and learn how to create clean and maintainable methods in C#. When designing methods in C#, it is generally considered a good practice to avoid using Boolean flags in the method parameters. This is because Boolean flags can indicate that the method has more than one responsibility, which is against the clean code principles. For example, consider the bad example method that has a Boolean flag in the parameter list. The saveData method has two responsibilities, saving data to a file and saving data to a database. While this may seem convenient at first, having multiple responsibilities within a single method can make the code more difficult to understand and test. A better solution would be to split the method into two separate methods, one for saving data to a file and another for saving data to a database. This would make it easier to understand the purpose of each method and make the code more maintainable. Overall, it is generally considered a good practice to avoid using Boolean flags and method parameters whenever possible, in order to create clean and maintainable code that is easier to understand and modify. So here's what you should remember from the last video and apply in practice to write better code. Avoid using Boolean flags and method parameters, as they can indicate that the method has multiple responsibilities. Instead of using a Boolean flag to indicate multiple responsibilities within a single method, consider splitting the method into multiple, single responsibility methods. This will make your code easier to understand, test, and maintain.